yeah, so that's I guess pretty much it. There is a lot of information, but that's even not 10% of what I would share with you if I had more time. So please proceed first of all by trying out this social engineering toolkit right now. It's available from GitHub, and this is the website with its description. TrustedSec is the company founded by Dave Kennedy, a really well-established person in social engineering and ethical hacking world. Another guy, Chris Hadnagy, yeah, so they co-host, actually, Chris and Dave co-founded a social engineering podcast and the social engineering org website. And Chris has written a couple of books about social engineering. I'm recommending the first one because it's simply better. It's not because it's like artistically better, but it contains much more bootstrapping information. So you will know a lot if you are very new to that topic, and it's much better than memoirs of Kevin Mitnick, for example. Yeah, because Kevin is a nice guy. He had a very difficult life, but in the end he has written a really interesting book, but it's based on cases. Okay, on case-by-case basis, he describes what could be done, what's been done, and what were the results, and how to prevent that. Social engineering, art of human hacking, is more of a methodology, I guess. So it's not scientific, but still, it's like more of a trade manual than the memoirs, the half fictional book. Yeah. And as for videos, this time I have to share just to see what you can do by only observing, by only shoulder surfing the environment around you, or at the airport lobby, for example, yeah, or in the street. You can see this Johnny's talk and be really surprised about the amount of information you can collect without actually giving any effort, just by paying attention. Johnny, of course, is the author of Google hacking database and the book on the topic, so you can Google more about him. And he's also a really nice guy, and he has established this course for helping children in Africa by collecting money and other resources throughout the hacking community. So it's a good figure to be a role model in the industry. And this is the demonstration of some really basic social engineering attacks, really no technical hacking there. And it's recorded, I guess, on DEF CON, along with the social engineering CTF competition that again Chris Hadnagy has arranged a long time ago, and it's recording every time DEF CON is held in Las Vegas. So it's also really interesting to show yourself and your family and the public what are the threats of social engineering attacks and what could be their consequences. So yeah, that was tough. A lot of information, a lot of direction for getting further information. Let's now wrap up the presentation and get to the visuals. First of all, I will show you a recent example of a phishing attempt that really impressed me. And believe me, I'm not easily impressed in this social engineering world. Yeah, so it really looks nice, and of course, most of us wouldn't be tricked by that. But compared with the way social engineers operate normally, this is like the genius level of conducting an attack. Yeah, so it's circumventing the content filtering of Google Mail without actually interfering with content filtering. So to completely tricking the environment to do whatever you like. And then I will demonstrate how to mount a modern social engineering attack using some tools, and specifically social engineering toolkit. So see you there.